Y'all know what it is. One of my favorite things to throw right about now. That owner flashy swimmer. We got a Colorado blade on there. Got one? Oh, that's a solid one. Sipping on my lean and I'm What's up, gang? We are back at it again with another video today. Another familiar spot. We got the Brody out here today. He's gonna be helping us behind the camera a little bit as time progresses through. Hopefully we can get some on the line today. We just had a really bad storm last night, so the water is super duper dingy out here. But that's all right. So yeah, man, I got some new stuff tied on today. Now we're gonna try something a little different. It might be a little overkill for a body of water like this, but we got that big boy right there. Big old swim bait tied on. You know, we got that Shimano Tranks. We got a 7'11" swim bait rod. We're gonna get it done today, man. So yeah, you know, I brought the usual suspects with me, of course. We got that owner flashy swimmer out here. We're gonna get it done with that, hopefully. And I brought that ultralight that we had a lot of luck on the other day. You know, specifically we didn't come out here to target bass that day, but it just kind of happened to work out that way. So yeah, we're not gonna waste no time, man. We're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro and we're gonna roll right into this thing. For the country this weekend, we got slaughtered by freaking mosquitoes. Here. Y'all know what it is. One of my favorite things to throw right about now. That owner flashy swimmer. We got a Colorado blade on there. Got one? Oh, that's a solid one. No, bro. Are you serious? Bro, that was legit a 4-pounder. Throw it back out there. Come on, you can get him again. You gotta set that hook, bro. When you get it, you gotta jar that thing in. You gotta jam it in there, bro. Bro, that was a 4-pounder, dude. That was 4+. And then another thing, whenever you're dragging them in, man, keep your rod tip low, because that'll keep them from coming up out of the water like that. Bro, that was a solid fish though, man. That was a solid fish, dude. Got one. First largie of the day, guys. It's a decent guy right there. Nice little fat belly on. Smashed that owner flashy swimmer right there. Get him back out there in the water. Grab that big boy. Ooh. Ooh. Be interesting. Tail's not kicking the way I'd hoped it would kick. It's a little bent. Straighten them out. There we go. Big boy might be a little overkill. Oh my goodness. Bass on ultralight. And it's a nice largie too. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. You can get the fish too. There we go, right there. Look at that right there in the side of the lip with the ultralight. Something so serious, man. God, that's so sick. It's barely skin hooked, man. It's amazing how tough these fish's mouth are, man. I mean, it's crazy that something that thin and that small can get up in there like that and just can drag something like that in there. That's easily almost 2 pounds, and he just had to have it, man. I threw it right out there in the middle and he smacked it on the fall as I was bringing it in. It's awesome.
That's crazy,
so
watching
sweet.
you catch it on that.
That's sweet. There we go. Nice sunfish right there, baby. Oh, that's a good size one too, man. Look how big that dude is. Yeah, man, that's a good size sunfish right there. Nice little sunfish right there. He's got some spots on his side. Looks like he's been getting beat up a little bit. He's got a big sore on his tail, but that's a good size sunfish right there. That's a pretty fish. Good looking fish. Back out there into the drink. Well, guys, we are out of time today. We had a little bit of luck today. Brody missed an absolute slaunch when we first got here. I think it was like first or second cast in. Solid 4-pounder easily. It's maybe even could have been 4.5, almost 5. And yeah, poor hook sets, man. They don't get it done. But we're working on that. But it's always good to have him come out and hang out with your boy, you know. So first time fishing here for him. We've been here many times, you know. We kind of just bounce around between this multiple sets of ponds that are right here in this neighborhood. Water quality is a little down since the storms and everything like that, but hey, we got a couple fish on the line today. He caught him one off camera way down here towards the end, and what did I get, 2, I think. So yeah, I mean, I'll call it a successful lunch break. If y'all call it a successful lunch break, would you call it a successful lunch break?
Hey,
here we go. So can't beat that, man. So we come out here to do, we come out here to have fun. We come out here to get fish on the bank, a little slime on the rods, and that's what it's all about. So yeah, man, we're gonna get up out of here. We're gonna get back to work because my lunch break is over with. I think Brody's probably gonna kick it out here for a little bit longer, but I'll link his social media down there in the bio, so y'all can follow him and subscribe once he gets his YouTube channel up and running if you want. But yeah, man, as always, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in the comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, check back in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, on the next video. Peace!